Gimba, for instance. If Gimba is done introducing himself, he can pass the baton to someone else. Do you understand? Okay, yes. Okay, we're now streaming live on YouTube. That's exactly what I wanted to do. So it's fine now. So, okay, all right. So let me start with myself. My name is James Chukwu. I'm an IT infrastructure like DevOps engineer with Beacom Dev Center, right? So what else again do I do? I also do real estate as well, right? So that's something else I do as well. So I do real estate. So anybody who is interested in real estate, as far as Lagos is concerned, get in touch with me as well. So that's the second thing I do, aside being a DevOps engineer. So I'm going to pass the baton to Alex. So Alex, introduce yourself. Let's meet you. Tell us what you do, and if there's any other thing you want us to know about you, that'll be fine as well. Alex on the yeah, please. I like to advise. Can we just turn on our cameras, because that's one of the reasons why we're here. Okay. If your camera is off, if I see you tomorrow, I won't know you. So please, let's turn on our cameras. All right. So Alex, oh, fantastic. You can go ahead, Alex.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I've just got to be here. I can't find the mute on this. No, sorry. Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a volunteer, Beacom design. I think I'm in my 4th or 5th month now. I'm having a really good time. Okay. I'm super enjoying all of it. Doing my daily tasks, moderating community, and then I've got an event coming up next month as well. That's in Guildford, so I've been advertising that. Then that'll be a little meetup, bit of a networking event there. So I don't know how many people are going yet, but they're coming up. But yeah, got a degree in product design, and then this is a bit of a shoe in the door, bit of experience in the kind of working environment design.
Oh, all right, that's fine. Thank you very much, Alex. Thank you. Good to see your face as well. I don't know what country you currently reside in. Do you reside in UK currently? Alex, can you hear me?
Hi.
Yes, I said, what country do you currently reside in?
Oh, England. I'm in England.
What country do you currently live? Yeah. Oh, England. Okay, that's fine. So if someday I decide to come watch maybe Liverpool and Manchester City, I could reach out to you. Oh, Alex, how are you? Could we just hang out at the stadium and watch one of the EPL matches? Hope that will be fine as well.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Abubakar.
Hi, good evening.
Abubakar Babangida. Yeah, good evening, Mr. Abubakar.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yes, could you please turn on your camera, sir?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We might actually be speaking to somebody from the popular Babangida family. Never can tell. That would be another fantastic connection.
I'm not really.
Welcome, sir.
We're not related. We're not from the same state. We're not related. Share the same name, sir.
All right, that's fine. So you can go ahead with the introduction.
Okay, sorry, I just joined. I had to stay to pray the 4 o'clock prayer.
Oh, okay. All right, introduction is simple. Just tell us your name, tell us what you do. Are you part of the okay, you're not in the for instance, you're in the DevOps team or you're a DevOps engineer, then I stay in Lagos, I stay in Kano, and then what else do you do aside what you do with Beacom?
Okay. Yes, first of all, my name is Abubakar Babangida, and I'm in the project management team, PMO team, I'm under the team of Idema Chukwu, Doro Idema Chukwu. So I currently work on Project Brand Buddy. So that's the tasks regarding posting on social media platforms and carrying out some fractional CTO tasks, which involves like applying for jobs on his behalf and other things. So regarding the social media platform, I'm in charge of posting on his social media platforms and editing videos for him. So like I didn't have any experience regarding video editing, but thanks to joining Bincom and
Okay.
thanks to joining Bincom, I was able to like carry out some complex tasks that I couldn't do on my own. So with the mentorship and everything else, I really appreciate joining this organization. It's really a place for anyone who's interested in developing themselves, trying to become relevant into this market.
Yeah.
So that's all I can see.
All right, thank you. So, where do you reside? You reside in Lagos, you reside in Nigeria, you reside in Kano.
Yes, I reside in Kaduna, Nigeria.
Oh,
So I'm from
that's
Kaduna State.
okay. So, is there anything else you do? Like I said, never can tell. You could have somebody here that will patronize you.
Currently I'm just into services. So I would say I'm a freelancer when it comes to virtual assistants. What I want to be doing is helping startups and scale-ups to kind of become social, to become visible, like to pop up in social media platforms. So if you're a new startup, if you start a business, you want it to go out there, I think I can help you to kind of pop up, kind of just appeal to the world that this is what you're doing.
Okay, thank you very much, Abubakar. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Good to meet you. And like I said, you see the beautiful thing. If I hadn't seen your face here, I perhaps may walk past you on the road and I wouldn't know. But it's fine. Meeting, fine getting to hear, and then as well as seeing your face. Let's move on. Temiolua Naomi. Thank you. Temiolua Naomi. Are you currently on the call?
Yes.
Temiolua.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Temiolua. How are you today?
I'm fine. My name is Akishiro Temnoloa. I'm on the Python team. Aside from like what I do in Bincom Dev Center, I'm also a student of computer engineering in Bells University, currently doing internship.
Oh, that's fine.
And yes.
Oh, that's fine. So, Python team, right? Wow.
Yes.
Has it been long you joined?
No. I just joined around, I think last week of April.
Okay, because I know that we work with the Python developers more often, so that's why I'm asking. Because I know I've not met with you, but it's fine. It's fine. Good to have you. Like I would say, I've seen your your face as well. So if for one reason or the other I stroll into Bells University and I come across, I should be able to identify you. Welcome.
No problem.
Welcome. Thank you. Yeah. Chioma. Let's move on to Chioma. Chioma Onyekachukwu.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
We're not seeing your face, and I'm sure you know it would be nice to see your face. All right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Okay.
So let's hear from.
My name is Onyekachukwu Chioma. I am in the infrastructure team. I'm currently a student of computer science in Anchor University, and I just joined late April. Yes, I just joined Bincom late April.
Okay. So that so you see now, you see the thing. Chioma is in my team, but I haven't seen her face before. So we only talk. So today now I'm seeing Chioma's face. So now I don't know what Chioma looks like. So if I see Chioma on the road, I can identify Chioma. That's nice. Do you reside in Lagos as well?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So is there any other thing you do aside what you do with Bincom?
Oh yeah, I'm also currently on my internship.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Thank you very much, Chioma. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you. So we'll move on to the next person on the call. Collins. Okwara Collins.
Okay. Good afternoon, James. Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah, good afternoon, Collins.
Okay.
Good to see you. Good to have you on the call.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Collins, and I got into tech 2022 mostly because I didn't want to do NYSC, so I ran to tech.
Why
But
were you running away from man?
I just don't want to do it. It was so stressful. But on a serious note,
Yeah.
I graduated from my university 2022 as a medical lab scientist, and I moved into tech, and I went to ALX. I did ALX for like 10 months, and I graduated from ALX February this year. So my tech journey is still very, very new. I'm still like new in the space and everything. So, and yeah, I'm a solutions architect, and yeah, I reside in Lagos, and if you ever need if you ever need to do a medical test or anything of sorts, I'm your guy. So hit me up. Yeah, so
That's fine. If I want to do any form of test, I mean, I can reach out to you.
Yeah, any form of test, but you pay money.
You are going to do it for me at a subsidized rate, I believe.
No,
at least as your guy now.
What the country is saying, so there's no subsidy.
Your guy, I should be able to do it for me at a subsidized rate.
Don't worry. I got you. Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you very much. Good to see you as well. So if I run into you somewhere in Lagos, on the island, anyway, I'll be able to identify you. Thank you very much. Good to have you.
Sorry. Also, I'm in the DevOps / infrastructure team. I know James. James is in my team, so that's why I recognize him. I recognize his voice, but this is actually the first time I'm seeing his face, so that's very good. So.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Good to have you. Akintunde Akinsomoye. I hope I got that correct. Please pardon me if I didn't do that. Akintunde. It's Akintunde on the call. Okay. While wait for Akintunde, Douglas. Good afternoon, Douglas.
Yeah. Good afternoon. How you doing, sir?
Good.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine.
All right. So
I'm an apprentice in Bencom, the PMO team precisely.
Okay.
So I got in late April also, but I was fully in Bencom around May.
Okay. Right. Said PMO, right?
Yeah, PMO.
Oh, that's fine. Thank you. Do you reside in Lagos or outside Lagos?
Yes, I reside in Lagos. Agege precisely.
Where?
Agege precisely.
Wow. Thank you. Fantastic. One stayed in Agege. Where in Agege?
Seriously. Wow. That's great.
Stayed in Agege, Capitol Road. I once stayed in
Capitol. Yeah, that's great. So aside working in Bencom, I just finished a tech program in data marketing. That was just this month also. Okay. So I'm still fresh to the tech space, and I'm looking out to learn more so I can have a strong ground for myself. So that's why I'm in Bencom.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Emmanuel Adekombi. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you today, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, please could you help us with your camera? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm from the mobile development team. I joined around late April and got into Bencom fully around May. And aside from that, I'm an undergraduate of computer science at Lagos State University.
Okay.
And I think that's always been.
Oh, all right. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for the brief introduction. Thank you. Good to see your face as well. Thank you. Helen Texera. Helen Texera, are you on the call?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, good, because I had a problem with my mic earlier. So, yeah, I'm Helen. I'm on the trainee Python developer program, on the volunteer program, and I started in January. So my last day actually is June the 4th, so I won't be here after that. But so far I've joined learning Python, machine learning. So yeah.
How's the learning process been?
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. It's been really good.
Oh, okay. I intend learning machine learning as well, right? So I guess if I run into any form of issues or block, I can reach out to you. So you can put me through, right?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Fortunato, good afternoon. From here, Nigeria is actually afternoon too. Permit me. Good afternoon.
Okay. Hello, James. Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. And I'm Fortunato. Fortunato is my middle name. My first name is a little bit complicated. It's José Carlos Fortunato. In Brazil, it's a common name, José Carlos, but the people call me Fortunato because it's easier to pronounce in English.
Yeah.
So I'm
That's
from
fine.
Brazil. I'm a web developer, and I am graduate in information technology and specialized in technologies for web applications and geoprocessing. And I'm here on Beacon as a web developer, as a volunteer on PHP team, and for about 3 months. Last week, I started to contribute as a facilitator on Beacon Academy. That's been a good experience, and that's it.
All right, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. And it's good to know you're from Brazil. So if Brazil is going to host the World Cup sometime again in the nearest future, when I come around, I'll definitely see you. I mean, watch one of the matches together, right? Thank you very much.
Nice.
Good to have you. Okay, let's move ahead fast because of our time. James Obatuki. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you?
Good afternoon. I'm James Obatuki.
Okay.
I am an apprentice in Python development team.
Okay.
I just joined late April. So that's all about me for now.
Okay, thank you. Do you reside in Lagos or you reside outside Lagos?
Yes, I'm in Lagos.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you. Good to know you're part of the Python team. At least I'm getting to know a lot of people in the Python team that will be working together more often. Good to have you on the call. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Joshua, let's move ahead to Joshua. Joshua Ejiobo or so. Joshua, good afternoon. Oh. Good afternoon, Joshua.
Yeah, good
that's
afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm an apprentice and I'm part of the mobile team. I've joined for a while and I'm currently doing my academy and I reside in Lagos.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. Is there any other thing you do aside what you do with Beacon?
Not really, though I'm currently about to do my service and I intend doing it with Beacon.
Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Good to have you on the call. Good to see your face and good to know you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's move back to Kwame. Kwame, peace. Good afternoon. Kwame should be my Ghanaian brother. Yeah, can you hear me, Kwame? Okay, all right. Maybe let me assume Kwame maybe might be having challenges with his network. Mercy, still come back to Kwame. Mercy Olarewaju, good afternoon. Mercy on the call. Michael Oluwafemi.
Please, can you hear me now?
Yeah, okay. Elvis. Who exactly?
I had to switch from Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I had to switch from Wi-Fi. So I'm Elvis of Brain. and I'm on the PHP. I'm a volunteer for the PHP team. So
Okay.
I'm a doctor of pharmacy student here in Ghana. So that's why most. So I think that.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So that's my Ghanaian brother. So anytime I'm in Ghana, I can hook up with my Ghanaian brother. Well done. Thank you very much. Good to have you. Yeah, Douglas. Douglas, can you hear me? Okay, all right. Let's move ahead quite fast. Mercy Olanrewaju, can you hear me? Michael Oluwafermi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, all right. Let's hear from you, Michael.
Yeah, okay. Michael Oluwafermi. I'm currently in the graphics and UX team.
Okay.
I'm a fresh graduate of University of Lagos, and then I'm looking to do my NYC, I think around this year, next year. Yeah.
Okay.
Aside being I'm also into fashion designing for Miu. I've not transitioned into the female yet, yeah, so for Miu wears is it the casual or the corporate?
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope your charges are not going to be that much.
No.
Considering the fact that you are an Akokite.
Yeah.
Akokite are big boys, so they are not going to bill us with charges. Good to have you. Good to have you on the call. Thank you very much. Let's move ahead. Oyinkansola Akintola.
Hi everyone. My name is Oyinkansola Akintola, and I'm based in Lagos. And I'm on the infrastructure and DevOps team.
Okay.
So I recently completed cloud computing course with ALX, and I just got certified as a solutions architect. So aside that, I currently work in customer relations. So yeah, that's it.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
Good to see you as well.
It's good to see you too.
I'm seeing some of my team members that I know I'm going to identify them anywhere I see them. Thank you very much, Oyinkansola. Mr. Samuel, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, James. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Let's, for the benefit of the people who have not met you.
It's fine. My name is Samuel. I'm a DevOps and IT infrastructure engineer here in Beacon Dev Center. Outside tech, I'm also a business person, right? I deal on agro machinery, basically. I think that's all right.
It's fine. Thank you, sir. Like I said, at least for the benefit of folks that may not have met you before, that don't know you, but good to see you, sir. So at least if you see Mr. Samuel on the road, you can identify him, and at the same time you can bill him. He's our big guy here. We can bill him.
No, it's also by my market. If you see me, just buy something for me.
Good to see you, sir. Good to see you. Tolulope, good afternoon. Tolulope, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Sophia, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sophia.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good evening.
Yeah, okay, good evening, anyone. So let's hear from you. And could you please help us with your camera?
Don't use that. Okay. My name is Sophia Saval. I'm design team lead, and aside from being what I do, I don't do that, but most times I know how to social.
Okay.
So that's it.
Good to have you, Sophia. It's also one of your guys. So once it's here as well, you can bill her. She's one of your
What
guys.
is it?
I say if anybody see you, they can bill you. Let them bill you.
I'm
And he's one of your guys, who's the team lead. He's one of our guys as well. Good to have you. Good
It's
to
so
have you.
easy. I'm
So,
trying my best. Thank you.
Tolu, can you hear me? If you cannot, Sanap. Sanap, good day, good day, good day, good day. Sanap, good day.
Yeah.
Sanap cannot hear. Okay.
So yeah, I'm there, but I joined from mobile, so I think my video, like it is not allowing to start the video. So sorry for that. Yeah, I'm not able to start the video. So that's it. Like I'm working here like as a DevOps engineer, like in the DevOps team, infrastructure team, as a volunteer. Till now, I'm just doing tasks which is assigned by Samuel, and thanks to the Samuel and James, like they are actually I learned so many things from them, and clearing my understanding about so many practical things. And in future, I will really like to work with the team and to contribute and to contribute wherever is possible from my end. Yeah, that's it.
All right, thank you very much, Sanap. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think maybe I'll just running off. I can see one or two persons that have not spoken. Gifts or Ramabo gifts. Can you hear me? Gifts. Gifts, can you hear me? You're only unmuted, but I can't see you. Gifts.
I'm not muted. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can hear. So you can go ahead, please.
Sorry, my background and the noise may be much. I went to drop someone at the airport. So I'm a Ramabo Gift, reside in Port Harcourt, part of the mobile app team. So I recently started facilitating Agbincom classes last month. And outside, I also design and develop websites. Yeah, and I drum. I'm a percussionist. Then for fun or leisure, I just like relaxing and playing games like PS4. So hopefully one day we can see one-on-one and trash each other.
Thank you very much. I know you're going to trash me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. So finally,
Thank you.
Antonia, good afternoon. So that we can move ahead to the next thing on the agenda. Antonia, can you hear me?
Hi, James.
Good afternoon.
I somehow joined late. I don't really know what's going on. So we're just introducing ourselves, right?
Yes, just introduction and then that's all. But meanwhile, while at that, your camera. Oh, okay, fine.
All right. So, hi, everybody. My name is Antonia. I'm on the PHP team. I'm currently an intern on the PHP team. I recently completed my National Youth Service Corps program around March. Aside Beacom and PHP, what do I do? Nothing. Everything about me is just PHP. So what else again? Then I enjoy movies, sci-fi movies.
That's
I'm a
fine.
diehard fan of sci-fi movies.
Nigerian
Nigerian movies. No, I didn't say Nigerian movies. I said sci-fi movies, please.
Oh, okay. I thought you said Nigerian movie. I thought like that's fine.
No, please. Oh. All right, nice to meet everybody.
Nice to see you as well. Nice to see you. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. So, to be honest, we have actually overshot our time. Oh, this is Akintunde. Okay, Akintunde, please just in a minute, go ahead. I think when I was calling you, either you were not hearing me or I wasn't hearing, one was responsible. So, Akintunde, please, you can go ahead with your introduction, just in a minute.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Can you all hear me?
Very well, I can hear you.
Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Akintunde Akinsomoye. I think my network is very bad. That was why I couldn't introduce myself the other time. I had to connect to my system instead. So, aside my name, I'm with the Beacom infrastructure, IT infrastructure, DevOps, and system engineering apprentice. As an apprentice, I joined as an apprentice. So, aside that, what I would say this is like I'm in my early journey in tech. I only have knowledge about web designing using all the CRM platforms. Then a little bit of coding. That's what I do on the side. But aside that, I have my job where I work in health insurance with UBA. Sorry, they've taken the light. They've taken the light here. So Nigeria. Sorry about that.
Thank you very much. Good to have you. Sorry, I'm a bit rushing because our time is actually fast spent on this particular introduction.
Yeah.
So Jude is actually, Jude. So in 30 seconds, please. Introduction, your name, what you do, in 30 seconds. Jude, if you can hear me.
All right, I can hear you. Good afternoon, House.
Good afternoon.
My name is Jude Amiens. I joined Beacom not quite long. I'm in the C# backend, team. Okay, what I do aside Beacom, I am a tutor. So I tutor others. I tutor students in all cadres from primary to secondary into a tertiary institution. So that's what I do aside Beacom. That is me for short. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jude. Thank you very much. Finally,
I'm in Lagos. Right.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Finally, let me call on Fejuro. I'm sure almost everybody sees Fejuro's comments. You know, you're in Beacom Dev Center or not seeing Fejuro. You always see Fejuro's comments. Oh, okay. I mean, assume maybe Fejuro cannot hear me. Okay, let's move ahead to the next
Hi, James. I can hear you. I'm sorry about that.
Finally, good to see Fejuro on the call.
Good evening, James. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, my name is Fejuro, and I'm among the Pro Services team, which is the HR and the admin department of Beacom. I'm really happy to be here, and I'm happy to see everyone. There are some people I haven't met before, and it's nice meeting all of you. Thank you so much. Do have an amazing time.
Thank you very much, Fejuro. Good to see you. So, you've seen part of the HR team. So even if you see her on the road, I'm sure we'll be able to identify her. Thank you very much, everyone. So let's quickly move ahead to the next item on the agenda. It's called Two Truths and a Lie. Two truths and a lie. This is how it works. Now, I would say three things about myself. So once I say three things about myself, obviously two of those things are going to be truth. Then one will certainly be a lie. Do you understand? So when I say that, I call on someone who can spot the lie out of the truth, out of the three things I've mentioned, right? You can spot the lie. So when you spot the lie, and then I would, respond, okay, if you got it correctly or not. So then after that, the person who I actually called on, who answered, would take the baton to repeat the same process and pick on someone that would do that. So I don't know if we got that correctly. So maybe I could use myself as an example. Okay, I wouldn't say three things about myself. The three things about myself, like I said, two amongst them I already know are true. One of them is actually a lie. So I'm going to call on someone on the call to be able to pick one out of the three things I said. be able to spot the lie amongst the three things I said. So once he spots the lie, then I would respond to say if to answer if that's actually correct or not. So I want to believe that that is well understood. Okay, so let me start with myself. Three things I want to say. Okay, one, I smoke. Two, I love football. Three, I love food. So let me come again. One, I smoke. Two, I love food. Three, I love football. So these are the three things. So I'm going to call on someone who would spot what the lie is amongst the three things I said. So, and I will answer if that's actually correct or not. So let me just say it all over again. Three things about myself. One, I love food. Two, I love football. Three, I love to smoke. Right. So I'm going to call on let me call on, who should I call on here that can, who am I going to call on? Let me call on, someone is raising his hand. Let me see if I can see who's raising his hand. Oh, okay. My hand is no longer raised. Okay, let me just call on someone. Let me call on Tulu Lokwe. Tulu Lokwe, can you hear me? Okay, this is not Tulu Lokwe. All right, Tulu, as I would assume that Tulu Lokwe cannot hear me. Let me call on Gift. Gift.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, very well. So I would want you to pick the lie out of it, then I will answer if it's true or not. Then, then you take over, you do the same process and call on someone else.
Okay. If I'm permitted, you can take off your glasses so that I can look at your eyes and I can be sure.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, I think the lie there is the smoking part.
Okay. All right, thank you very much. That's correct. I do not smoke. I tried that once, but I don't do that. So correct. You're very much correct. Yeah, I don't smoke. You're very much correct. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So now you're going to do the same process. Three things about yourself, then obviously 2 true, 1 lie. You call on someone else to do the same thing that I just called you to.
All right. What do I say? I'm ambivert. Yeah. I smoke too. And what else? What do I say now? All right, I play drums.
Mr. Samuel, just Mr. Samuel, can you hear me? Mr. Samuel, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay,
yes,
okay,
I can hear
please. Okay, please, sir, just kindly help me coordinate for just a minute or two. Let me switch over to, I'm having, my PC is almost going dead, so let me just turn on the gen and connect to power. So please just let me, I'll be back in 2-3 minutes.
All right.
So Gift, you can go ahead.
Okay. Gift, can you repeat that again?
Good evening, sir. I said, okay, let me think of a new one. I am a lover of God. Yeah. I smoke, and I also try working out sometimes. So, if anyone can spot the lie there.
Okay. That's 2. I think it should be 3. Two
truths and a lie. Yeah.
Yes, 2 truths and 1 lie.
Yeah. So I might to call someone. Okay, Oluwaseun Aremo.
Yes, can you hear me?
I can.
Although spotting the lie is very, very difficult too, because I mean, if I look at you now, you look like someone that loves God. And with the way your lip is now, you'd probably be smoking. So I don't really know which one is the lie there.
Yeah, that is the idea. I've gotten that a lot, that I sometimes look like a smoker. So yes, it could be true, it could be a lie. It's left for you.
Oh, that's that.
Sorry, I think you said something.
So I tried. It's difficult to spot the truth. The lie.
Okay.
Everything is truth. Everything.
All right. Does anyone else want to try? I don't know. Joshua Ejiobi. Can you spot the lie there?
Yeah, I would say the lie there is you smoke.
Yeah. I don't
You got
smoke.
it.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. So
All
he
right.
should carry on.
All
Okay,
right.
over to me. I would say I'm short. I play keyboard as a musical keyboard, and I'm also a lover of God. So who can spot the lie there? Anybody?
Alex Sanye, can you try?
Was it short or tall, did you say?
You said?
Short or tall? Which one?
Yeah, I said I'm short, and
I'd say that
I
one.
played musical keyboard, and I'm a lover of God. That's what I said. So can you
Yeah, the lie would be that you're short.
Yeah, that's correct.
You look tall with your shoulders.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. So you can carry on from there.
All right. Over to you, Alex. Tell us 2 truths about yourself and 1 lie.
So, I'm a trained barista. I speak Spanish, and I have 2 cars. Oh, I've done it wrong, actually. Sorry. Did 2 the other way. Let me do it again. I'll do completely different ones. Right. I play football.
Okay.
I have a degree.
Okay.
And a bad diet.
You do what?
A bad diet.
Okay. Helen, can you give it a try?
To guess which one's the lie. So
Yes.
he said football, degree, and a bad diet.
Yeah.
I think you've got the degree in the product design, so that's not the lie.
True, yeah.
Okay, so whether you play football or you have a bad diet, I think is it with football? You would think that you would like football. I say football, that you don't play football.
Wrong.
Wrong. So it's the bad diet.
Yeah. Well, that would be the lie.
Bad diet, the lie. All right. Over to you, Helen.
Okay. I can speak Italian.
Okay.
in the past, I've danced for the King and Queen of Greece, and I also run as part of the UK Athletics Club.
Okay. So who can guess the lie? Helen, call any name you like.
Sorry? Oh, who to anyone? Just I don't know. Let's see who's in the list. Fortunato, are you there?
Hello, I'm here. Hello, Ellen. So I think you don't speak Italian,
Correct.
correct? Oh, nice. Your name is common in Brazil, Ellen. How to pronounce the second? Teixeira?
Yes.
It's a common name in Brazil.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you. It's my time?
Yes, over to you.
Okay.
Thank you very much,
let's see.
Mr. Samuel. We're grateful.
3 things about me. Let me see. I play chess. I play bass, a music instrument, and I practice Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. That's it.
So who can actually guess this? I guess you might have to call on someone.
Should I choose someone?
Yes, you're right.
Let me see.
But this looks tough, though. But just
Fedro is here. Hello, Fedro.
Hello, sorry, I didn't get that. Please, can you go over it again?
Okay, I said that I play chess, I play bass, and also I practice Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. What is the
I
lie?
guess you don't play shares.
No, that's not true. I play chess. I really play chess.
Oh, okay, someone else, please.
Okay.
Oh, Mr. Samuel, do I have to go over what I do and what I don't? Am I the next person?
yes, you are actually.
Okay, even though I didn't get it correctly.
Yes, yeah, you have to tell us the correct answer.
He needs to tell us. So Fortunato, you will tell us the correct answer. So why Fedro takes over?
Okay, but
Correct
the,
answer.
the lie about me is that I said I practice Jiu-Jitsu. It's not true. I don't practice Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, but I do play chess and also play bass instrument. That's it. Thank you.
So Fedro, over to you.
Okay, I'll go now. I'm going to tell a lie, then I'll tell 2 truths about myself. Okay, I'm a Nigerian. I love tech. I do coding. Then I'm a Christian. So I would want somebody to pick out the lie. Let me choose someone to pick out the lie for me. Most people know me here. Okay. Tuba, please go ahead and figure out the lie. Tuba, are you on the call? Or should I pick someone else? Tuba, are you there? Okay, please turn on your camera and we can hear you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Please put on your camera and give the
Yes,
answer.
I think the lie is you do coding.
Oh my goodness. That's correct.
Ah,
That was so
Pedro
fast.
does not code.
Okay, now I have to tell about myself. 3 truth and 1 lie. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Number 1 is I can speak Arabic. I can speak Urdu. And I am foodie and I love code. Now identify the lie.
You have to pick someone to identify the lie.
Yes. Okay. Colin Ukwara, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I think the lie is you love to code.
No. I code. The lie is I am foodie. This is lie.
Oh, okay. Wow. All right. I guess it's my turn, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the first one is I'm lactose intolerant. And the second one is I love to cook. And the third is I have both a cat and a dog. Which one is a lie? Okay, let me look for someone to. Okay, Only Consola, can you answer, please?
Yes. So I think the lie is that you have a cat and a dog.
Okay. I do have a cat and a dog.
Oh wow. And they don't
Do I?
change it around.
No, the dog stays outside, the cat is indoors. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So yeah, the lie is I'm lactose intolerant.
Oh, all right. So I guess it's my turn. So the first one is I've sewn an outfit under an hour. The second one is I've met a celebrity before. And the third one is I ate pepper soup. So okay, let me call on James. Sorry, I can't hear you. Or do I have to call on another person? Because James has, I think he already talked before. James, sorry, I can't hear you. I don't know. You said what?
I think James is having network challenge, so it's best to just pick someone else.
Okay. Let me pick Sophia. Sophia, are you there? Okay, I guess I have to pick someone else again. Okay, so James Obatoki.
Please, can you repeat the question? My network, I just rejoined again now. So
Okay, so I'm saying two truths and one lie. So the first one, I said I've sewn an outfit under an hour. The second one is I've met a celebrity before. And the third one is that I hate pepper soup.
Okay. I guess the answer is sew an outfit in 1 hour, if I'm not wrong.
Wrong. So the lie is that I ate pepper soup.
What?
All right.
I guess I'm the next person. So, sir, I guess I'm the next person, right? So my
Yes,
question
please.
is, I'm a lover of God, and a Christian as well. So I teach. That's the second one, and the third one is I drink. So I would like Elfries to spot the lie there.
Um, I I think in your introduction you were like you were a teacher, so that's kind of truth. So I'll go with you drink.
Okay, but you are wrong. Yes, I never said I'm a teacher, because the truth is I don't drink. Like, I don't drink alcohol. That's just the truth.
I thought he said I drink.
Yes, I said I drink. That's what I said.
Yes, and
So
that's
that's
the
the
lie.
lie there.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the lie there.
okay. So
See,
it's my turn
sorry.
now.
You say you don't drink water. This is water, you don't drink water.
No, he was like he doesn't.
No,
Okay.
no, that's not what I meant. Like, I don't drink alcohol. That's what I'm trying to say.
Hmm. I guess it's my turn. Okay, so the first one is I'm an expert in PHP. The second one is my team lost 3 trophies to Barcelona, and then the third one is I really know how to cook. I'll call on Arimo. Oluwaseun.
Okay. Please just come again one more time, please. Sorry.
Okay, so the first one is I'm an expert in PHP. And the second one is my team just lost 3 trophies to Barcelona. And the third one is I am a good cook.
The lie would be that you are a good cook.
Really? No.
Yes.
The lie is I'm an expert in PHP. I'm just a beginner.
All right. I guess it's my turn, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the first one would be that I'm actually related to Aliko Dangote, and the second would be I look like a tech bro, and then the third would be that I don't code. So what would possibly be the lie? Let me. James.
Pass it to someone. Who do you pass it to?
I'm passing it to James, but it seems like his network is not. Let me find somebody. Okay. Comfort. Or comfort rather. Okay, comfort is not coming up. Okay, I'll choose someone else. Fortunato. This guy like Spanish.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you repeat, please?
Okay, so the first one is I am related to Aliko Dangote. That is the richest man in Africa. I mean, then the second will be I look like a tech bro, and the third will be that I don't code.
I think the lie is you don't code.
I actually
No.
code. You see, you can't get it. You can't.
Eh, What is the
The lie is that I look like a tech bro. That would be the lie actually.
nice? Yeah. I think it's time to someone because I already said my 3 things about me, right? Should I choose someone?
Please, Oluwase, drop your address since you relate with Dangote.
Okay, you will not be. Yeah, you would not believe. All right, yeah, leave it now.
No, I believe you. Just drop your address.
I should drop my hand or what?
Location now.
Okay, what? Why would I drop my location? I won't drop it too. But I think it's very far. It's a very far relationship, but on the other side. So yeah.
First and see someone that relates to Aliko Dangote.
We believe you. All right, Akintunde, no worry.
Okay, please pick someone else. Okay, I think Mr. Samuel's network has gone off. So I'll just pick someone else to tell about two truths, two truths and one lie. So I'll select Emmanuel Adekambi. Please go ahead and tell us two truths about yourself and one lie. Hello, Emmanuel, are you there? Hello, someone, please confirm you can hear me. Okay, Mr. Samuel is back.
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so who are we selecting next to tell us two truths about themselves and one lie? Okay, Orama Bog Gifts, please go ahead.
To repeat, I think I've done. Is it okay if I go again?
Oh, yes, you've done. Let me pick someone else who hasn't. I wasn't familiar with the name.
I think someone sent a message on the chat box.
Oh, I think Madam Comfort is ready now. Okay, let me just go ahead and read her truth and lie. So figure out the lie. She said, I can fix electrical appliances. I have phobia for heights, and I love making paper arts. Wow. Yes. Answers are flying. Please, Madam Comfort, confirm which is the lie and the truth. They are all saying electrical appliances. Hi, James, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
The lie is number 2. Hi, everyone.
Oh, phobia for height.
Electrical electronics. Wow.
Okay.
Am I to pick someone else?
Yes, ma, you can go ahead to pick someone.
Yes, ma, pick someone else.
Okay. Just a moment. I'm trying to navigate my screen. Chioma, I can see Chioma here.
Good evening.
Hi.
Thank you.
Chama, please turn on your camera.
I'm in transit right now.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, it's my turn to say my 2 truths and a lie.
Yes, please.
Okay, I love cats. I love reading books, and I'm obsessed with movies.
Okay. Could you pick on someone to answer that?
Okay, I'm seeing Naomi.
Okay. Timulu and Naomi. Are you on the call?
Sorry. Yourself. Chioma. Yes. Hello? Please, Yeah, could I'm you repeat hearing what you. you said? Okay, I love cats. Then could you repeat what you said? That's what I'm doing. I love cats. I read books, and I am obsessed with movies. Okay, I feel like I'm obsessed with movies. No, I don't love cats at all.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Thank you. Okay, so
I guess
Naomi,
my turn
I
now.
I,
I
I
hope
guess
everyone can.
it's your turn now, Naomi. You
I
can go
want
ahead.
to. Yes, I hope everyone can hear because it's too noisy where I am. I love to crochet. I love to cook, and I also love animals.
Okay, could you pick on someone that would answer that? I'm not quite sure I got what you said. Please, did anyone hear what she said?
I can't really hear.
Naomi, I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure we got what you said. Okay, all right. While Naomi tries to sort out her network, I guess let me pick Mr. Samuel. Mr. Samuel, I'm not sure you've spoken, so you can go ahead, please. 2 truths and a lie.
All right. 2 truths, 1 lie. Okay. Number 1, I've never watched a movie from the beginning to the end. Number 2, I'm a Chelsea fan. Number 3, I'm a good cook.
Wow. So who's going to take on that question or that particular who's going to spot the lie? So who's going to spot
All
the
right, let
lie?
me pass it. Let me pass it to Michael.
Okay. Michael Oluwafemi.
Yeah, so I would say it definitely looks like a Chelsea fan. Yeah. So I would say the lie is the first one. You have not watched the movie from the beginning to the end. Yeah.
Adola, I'm not a Chelsea fan.
Okay, you're not a
That's
Chelsea
a
fan.
lie.
My bad.
I thought I would have said same. I never knew you were not a Chelsea fan. I assumed you were a Chelsea fan.
I actually believed he was a Chelsea fan. Okay,
So could you now please tell us what the lie is?
Yeah, I didn't get you.
The lie is that I'm not a Chelsea fan. That's a lie.
Okay, yeah, that was good.
Oh, okay. Okay, all right, Michael. So you can go ahead. I'm not sure you've done yours, have you?
Okay, so the three statements are: number one, I play football. The second one, I'm very good at video games. And then the third one, I would say, let's say I play volleyball. Yeah, volleyball. Yeah, so those are the three statements that I have.
Okay. Yeah,
And
would you
then,
just pick someone?
okay, let me see. What was unspoken? I would say Tunde Bejide. I pick Tunde Bejide if you can hear me.
Please,
Yeah, Tunde.
can you repeat your questions? I mean your
Okay, my three statements, I play football, one. The second one, I am very good at video games, and then the third one is I play volleyball. So those are the three statements. One is a lie.
you do look like you know video games. And you look like from guessing from your cap, you look like you love football. I would say the last one is a lie. That you play volleyball.
Okay, that's not correct. So the lie is I play football. I don't play football. I suck at. I'm very bad at football. Very bad. Yeah. So that's the lie. I'm very good at volleyball. Yeah, and I play video games also. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So Sunday next on to.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, today you'll be the last. You'll be the last on this particular segment. So you can just go ahead with your statement. After that, then we'll move to the next segment.
Two truths about myself and a lie. I would say first one, I love to cook. Second one, I love football. And third one, I love to party. Who am I going to call
Yes,
on?
you could pick anyone, or someone else can actually just answer randomly, so that we can move ahead because we've actually spent quite a lot of time here.
Would anyone volunteer to answer or just speak on?
Okay, please could you repeat your statement?
Yeah, I said the first one would be I love to cook. The second one is I love football, and the third one is I love to party.
Okay, I think I will go for you love to party.
Oh, that's right.
All right. Thank you very much for that. So once again, thank you everyone for this segment. So we'll be moving on to the next segment. And the next segment is simply it's called highlight of the week. And the highlight of the week, or rather, so what we'll do this time around is that we're going to do something. One thing I appreciate about the team. One thing I appreciate about the team. So everybody is expected to speak. So, and the idea is that this particular segment is going to help us do something. We're going to build a sense of gratitude, right, as well as connection. So that's what this segment is actually going to help us to build a sense of gratitude and connection. So we're going to go quite fast because we have spent a lot of time on the truth and lie, right? We're expected to round off by 6 p.m. rather. So, and this should stop at 55:55. So we're going to go maybe max in 2 minutes. We'll do this. each person shouldn't spend more than 2 minutes. So, one thing I appreciate about the team, one thing I appreciate about the team, right? So, let me start with Mr. Samuel. Mr. Samuel, please.
Sorry, repeat that again.
Okay, so what we're doing is one thing I appreciate about the team. So what is that thing that you appreciate about the team? Like I said, the idea is to help us to build a sense of gratitude. You understand? A sense of gratitude, sense of appreciation. So what is that one thing that you appreciate about the team?
About, is it the entire team or?
Yes, the entire team. Yes, the entire team as a whole.
Okay, I think what I appreciate most about the team is collaboration, right? I've been in several sections where individually people tend to put in effort, to achieve something and all that. So basically, that collaborative effort and then the team spirit in some people, and then is a whole lot of it for me. I appreciate that a lot, right?
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Samuel, for that. Let's move on. Let's move on. I can Let me call on Fortunato. Fortunato. So what is that one thing you appreciate about the team?
Hello, hello. I appreciate about the team, and I think communication, because we have every day a good communication. That's it.
Okay, communication. All right, that's fine. So Colin, what is that one thing you appreciate about the team?
Okay. One thing I appreciate about the team is their willingness to help. So like, and also we're not shy to ask questions. It's very important. My thoughts in the third one. Anyway, yeah, we're not shy to ask questions, and our questions are not received in a condescending manner. So I really love that about the thing.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you very much for that. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Akintunde Akinsamoye. Akintunde Akinsamoye. What's that one thing that you appreciate about the team?
Hello, everyone. What I
Hello,
appreciate about the team. Can you hear me?
Very well, very well.
Okay.
I can hear you.
What I appreciate about the team, especially, is ability to carry everyone along. Even we are just starting our journey with tech. So sharing information, telling us how we're going to do things, then you asking the people that you met questions, and ability for them to teach you and tutor you and tell you that this is how you're going to go about it. That's what I love most about it. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Akintunde, that's quite lovely. Tuba Saif. Tuba Saif. What is that one
Yes,
thing you
the one
appreciate
thing I
about?
like is, can you hear me?
Very well, I can hear you.
Okay, the one thing I like is personal development and also the collaboration and communication skills. It is very important for the soft skills because my communication and English is improving day by day.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Is that all? Okay. All right. All right. Thank you very much. Alex, sign, sign, Alex, sign, yes. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So go ahead. What is that one thing you appreciate about the team?
Did you say team? Was it team? Sorry.
Yes, the team. Yes, the
Oh,
team.
team.
Yes, the team as a whole.
It's very it's good collaboration. But I'd kind of tie that into yeah, lots of different cultures and languages, but then it kind of ties into collaboration also. So I don't really want to say it's not really correct, isn't it? But I can see people can see the difference in cultures and languages. It sort of comes onto collaboration. So yeah, I would say that.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Shuma, what that thing that you appreciate about the team? Okay,
Is it me?
well, I can't. Yes, Shuma, you can hear me. Go ahead.
Okay, I appreciate that it's very interactive and very free to communicate to the facilitators in case like stuff we don't understand. And I really have enjoyed the classes. Well, that's it basically.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Let's move on to Elvis. Oh, Elvis.
Okay, so what I appreciate about this team is the dedication of my facilitators. Like as they take their time to explain concepts about PHP to me. I'm very grateful for that.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Elvis. Thank you. Thank you very much, Elvis. Okay, Collins, what is that one thing you appreciate about the team?
I've answered already. I just answered like a minute ago.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Helen, 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 have you spoken?
No, I haven't. So one thing I
Okay,
appreciate,
please.
knowledge sharing.
Okay. You said knowledge sharing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. That's fine. Then James Obatoki, what is that one thing that you appreciate about the team?
Yes, I appreciate their responsiveness. So whenever you have any issue, they respond quickly and get you to resolve whatever issue you have.
Okay. All right. Thank you. That's fine. Joshua.
Yeah, for me, one thing I've noticed and I really appreciate is the understanding and the ability to carry everyone along, regardless of their level or experience. You know, everyone is being carried along. That is something I really appreciate.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Yes, I did. I did. Thank you very much for that. Gifts. Gift. What is that one thing that you appreciate so much about the team? Gift, can you hear me? All right, Oyin Consola. Okay, Gift, go ahead if you can hear me now.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I said relatability. Yeah, we know that we're not all on the same experience levels, but we tend to bring everyone to the same level to try to help each other out in situations where we are not understanding in one or two things like that. So it's quite commendable.
Oh, okay. Okay, all right, thank you. Oyinkansola, yes, Oyinkansola. What is that one thing that you appreciate about the team?
Hi, so one thing I appreciate about the team is I think the structure and the support. So like even though there's a lot to learn, right? So the team is always like willing to guide us, and there are like loads of resources that they share to also like guide us. So like it makes it easier to like, grow and stay motivated. Yeah, I think that's it for me.
Okay. Okay, all right, thank you. Tunde Bejide, Tunde Bejide. What is that one thing that you appreciate about the team?
Yeah, I also say I appreciate the collaboration in terms of team spirit, like sharing goals, interactiveness, and carrying everyone along, and also the flexibility and diversity too.
Okay. Okay, all right. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Thank you. Who else again hasn't spoken? Yeah, Fejiro. Let's hear from you. What is that one thing that you appreciate so much about me? Fejiro, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So
Okay.
one thing I appreciate. Okay, sorry. One thing I appreciate about the team is the knowledge development. Like you get to grow from whatever stage you are. It's not possible that you come to being calm and you'll be stuck where you are. You tend to grow. Let's assume you come into become as a beginner, somebody who has zero knowledge. There's no way you go out the same way. You get grinded, you get trained. Like the growth is one thing I like about it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sophia, can you hear me? So what is that one thing about the team that you appreciate so much? Sophia, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good evening. Sorry, I'm not able to on my camera.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
Just go ahead.
so what is yeah. Okay, I would say growth, general for being firm. Growth because I really see growth a lot. And also so I'll talk about collaboration too, yeah, for my team, yeah, my team. Then also because I'm the design team lead, so I don't really have more things. And also teamwork, yes, teamwork. Yeah, for my team, yeah. Those are some. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Is there anyone else who hasn't spoken on this? Is there anyone else on the call who hasn't spoken about this? I'm not sure. Yeah, Naomi, you're trying to speak the other time. I'm not sure what was the issue with the network. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me?
Okay, all right. Yes, I can hear you.
Everyone is being them equally, and yes, I'm very sorry that this.
Oh, to be honest, I'm not sure I got that. I'm not sure I got what you said. Maybe someone else did, but I'm not sure I did. I'm not sure I did. Um, Okay, all right. So I guess each and every one of us on the call have spoken. So for me, what is that one thing I appreciate about it? I think the first thing I appreciate about it is growth. Growth. I think it was someone. I think it was Fidro that said something, in that regard. I doubt you would be in Binkom and not grow. You certainly will grow because um there are so many things. The entire system is structured in a way um that pushes you to grow, right? Is it KD section? Even if you KD would help you to grow in terms of your knowledge base, in terms of your ability to be able to do what, in terms of your ability to be able to make presentations, right? You can see already that that's what what's it called? That's what KD has KD would help you to accomplish. And not just that, I can pick on almost all the old microservices, right? Is it the external event, which I talked about this morning, allows you to grow as well as everything is just centered around growth. So one thing that I appreciate about the team is the opportunity to grow, the platform to grow, the platform to grow. Because if you're not growing, then there's a problem. So the platform to grow is one thing I appreciate so much about the team. So thank you very much everyone for that. So let's quickly move on to something else. So we'll be running off soon. So another thing we'll be moving on to is just within a minute. I'm sure everybody will be able to have it within a minute. Then after that, we'll shut down. So we'll be talking about what's your highlight of the week. Now, what exactly has been your highlight of the week? Now, if you ask me, okay, let me go first. My highlight of the week is there's a particular solution or application. Let me use the word application so everybody will understand. There was a particular application that struggled with that I got an information about it. It was an application that I deployed that was giving issues here and there, here and there, here and there. So me being able to resolve the problem, for me, is my highlight of the week. Being able to resolve the problem, to be able to really troubleshoot deep down, to find out what the problems are, and profile a solution and have the application up and running was my own highlight of the week. And I'm really, really, really happy about it. So it's my highlight of the week. So what exactly is your own highlight of the week? We can make it in just a minute. So then after that, then we shut down. So let's move. Let me start with Akin. Akin today. So what's your highlight of the week?
Sorry, did you just call me now?
Yes, I did.
Um,
Did you get what I asked?
Highlight of the week. Was that what you were talking about?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, that's what I asked. Yes.
I just joined not quite long, and my highlight of the week is being able to register for the what's the name, Bincom scholarship or anything. So I was having discussion with one of the uh, pro service team. What's that name? Lua told me or something. I can't really recall the name. So she was putting me through it. So I registered, I did everything. She said I had to further check on the Become Academy that will enable me to apply for the Income scholarship program, and I was able to achieve that. So that was it. I did that today. So that's that. Hello, Mr. James. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Sorry. Shoot,
Okay.
I'm issues with my network.
Okay.
If you can hear me, wow, having serious issues. Okay, all right. So thank you very much. So let's move ahead. Apologies for
Okay.
my network issues. Okay, all
Okay.
right.
Thank
Let's
you
move
very
ahead.
much.
Alex. So what's your highlight for the week? Yes, what's your highlight for the week? Let's just do that in a minute. so that we'll be able to round off as fast as possible. What has been your highlight for the week?
I would probably say getting my adverts out for the event I've got coming up. Sending those out was pretty big. Be happy with that. Those spread the word. Yeah, I'd say that.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So let's move quite fast. Chioma, if you can hear me, what has been your highlight for the week? Chioma, can you hear me? Yeah, Chioma, can you hear me? Okay, Chioma cannot hear me. Collins, can you hear me? What has been your highlight for the week?
Okay, so my highlight, I can hear you, Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, so my highlight for the week is, okay, so I've been having this issue with my work email, as you know about. So um my highlight for the week is it's finally I've been able to rectify it, like with the help of like processes and you and Mr. Samuel, and yeah, and I've not had the issue for like 2 days now. So like that's progress. That's very refreshing. So that's my highlight of the week. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's move ahead. Emmanuel Adekombi, what has been your highlight for the week?
Yes, so I would say it is based on my personal development. Um, I'm currently learning React Native, and this week I was able to build a mobile app, and using a new technology felt sort of refreshing. Although it is not fully functional, but using a new technology, it
Step in the
felt
right direction.
exciting and all. So
Oh, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. Thank you very much. Fortunato, what has been your highlight for the week?
Hello, James. My highlight
Yes,
for
I
the
can.
Yeah, okay. My highlight for the weekend was to contribute as a facilitator on Beacon Academy. That was a great opportunity to grow, to learn, to develop my skills. That's it.
Wow, that's nice. Thank you. Yeah, Helen, what has been your highlight for the week? Helen Texera.
Yes, completing another task in Python and then being able to demo it.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Good news. Thank you. James Obatuki, what has been your highlight for the week?
Yes, I've actually been attending the beginners class, so Python beginners class, and I'm working to submit my assignment, which I did, except for the last one that I've not been able to submit. I'm still working on some data sets that I will be used for the submission of the assignment. Likewise, I'm working on my personal development in the Django and SQL intermediate level.
All right. Thank you very much. That's brilliant. Thank you so much as well. Thank you. Joshua, HOB, what has been your highlight for the week?
Yeah, I would say my highlight for the week would be trying to convert a website to an app. So there's a wrapper that is being used for this process, and that wrapper needs some plugins. So I couldn't work with those plugins. So at first, but then I did some research, and after the research, I was able to work with those plugins, and it was actually exciting for me.
Oh, that's nice. That's good news as well. Thank you very much for effort and the progress. Michael Oluwaferon, what has been your highlight for the week? Michael, can you hear me? Okay, Mr. Samuel, what has been your highlight of the week?
All right. Thank you very much. This week has been interesting today. There's a particular project I've been struggling with. It's been giving me like sleepless nights, and then it took me like 2, 3 weeks to even understand the project, right? But eventually this week, I was able to understand the whole concept, the whole details about the project, and then what took me 2 weeks to do, I was able to do it in one day and making a significant progress. And also, and again, on Wednesday, I passed my KCNA exam. So that's my highlight for the week.
Wow, that's nice. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Tuba Said, what has been your highlight of the week?
Yes, actually, I am doing my academy assignment. First, I researched about the PHP framework. I didn't know about any framework before this volunteer joining this volunteer program, and now I completely understand and learn PHP framework E. And right now I am doing my final test.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Tunde Bejide, what has been your highlight of the week?
Yeah, I'll say my highlight for the week is I've been studying on classifier models in my main data science. I've been studying up libraries and reading up documentations. And recently I've been able to develop and implement a model that predicts. So it's just a linear regression model that I've been able to implement. So I'll say that's my highlight for the week.
Okay, thank you very much. And then I think finally on the call, Pedro, what has been your highlight of the week? Yeah, Pedro, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, please.
Okay. So I was asking, so what has been your highlight of the week?
Oh, my highlight for the week. Oh, that's amazing. I actually earned my Bincom Products Management certificate this week, I think around a Monday. And that really made me happy because that class, I was happy about that. So my highlight for the week was that certificate I've earned this week.
Wow. All right, that's nice. Good news as well. Thank you very much. And I think everyone on the call has spoken. Thank you everyone once again. Thank you. Okay, so we've actually come to the end of the entire event as a whole. Thank you everyone for your time. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for the the opportunity to be able to communicate, the opportunity to be able to get to know ourselves, and then the opportunity to be able to have fun as well. Thank you everyone. Do have a lovely weekend. Hopefully this time next month we'll still meet again for this partner event as well. It's always good for ourselves. Like I said, now as it stands, there are people whom I will see on the way. Please be very, very large and I'll be able to identify them. Like the true of this particular section that we had to do. That's even one of the reasons why. Because it's actually not going to be fair if we're all working together and we don't even know ourselves. Right now, imagine if I walk into an event and you walk into an event and I cannot even identify you and you can't identify me. But this particular session has been able to help us do that. Thank you once again, everyone. Do enjoy the rest of the weekend and keep learning, keep going. We'll meet at the top. Thank you.
Thank you.